Good morning, students. Today we will be starting a new chapter in English grammar, that is English 1. Today I am starting chapter number 21, has and have. Now first of all, let us see how to use has and have in the sentences. She has long hair. He has a new bicycle. Vikram has a red car. Bunny Rabbit has long ears. That bus has 2 doors. Now these are the sentences where has is used. Now let us see the sentences with have. I have a new doll. We have many pencils. You have a big umbrella. They have new books. Birds have wings. Now see, let us understand the difference where we will use has and where we will use have. Now let us see that first. Okay, now see this one. I have prepared this table so that you can understand properly. Okay, has and have. Where we can use has? He, she and it. Wherever the sentence is starting with he is used for a boy. She is used for a girl, and it is used for things. So wherever the sentence is starting with he, she or it, we will always use has with it. Okay, now for suppose अगर he नहीं लिखा, he के जगह पे boy का नाम लिखा है, like he, और he के जगह पे अगर लिखा है रवि, तो उसके साथ भी has use होगा. Okay, if one person we are talking about, if we are talking about one boy or one girl, like for example she, if she नहीं लिखा है और रीना लिखा है, then it is only one person, one girl. So there also we will use has. Okay. Now for one person or one thing, if we are using he has, then where we will use have. Okay, have. First of all, have for we will use for I also. I have. For I we will always use have. Okay. And for other, like plural, that is more than one. If we are talking about more than one people, we will use have, like we have, they have, and you. If we are talking in the second person, if we are talking about the second person, then also we will use have, you have. Okay, so now see, likewise अगर यहाँ पे भी we की जगह पे प्लूरल में, दैट इज मोर देन वन अगर पर्सन है, दे लाइक बॉयज हैव. ओके, सो इफ इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड, अगर सिंगुलर है, दैट इज ओनली वन पर्सन इज देयर, देन वी विल यूज हैज. And if it is plural like we and they, or if we are talking about, if like I am talking about myself, like I have a book, okay, then you, if I am talking about you, that you have a pen, then we will use have. Okay, now let us see the sentences again. Yes, see over here, she, what we will use with she has long hair. Then he, what we will use with he has a new bicycle. Understood? Now अगर he की जगह पे name use हुआ, if we are taking the name, then also we will use has, like Vikram has a red car. Okay, Bunny Rabbit has long ears. That bus is a thing, तो it की जगह पे अगर name use हुआ है thing का, then also we will use has. Okay, now see again, have कहाँ पे use होगा? I, we, you and they. Okay, now instead of they, if the name is used like birds, then birds is plural, s लगा हुआ है, तो this is more than one. Birds, तो if it is more than one, if we are talking in plural, we will use have. Birds have wings. Okay, so now let us see in this in the fill in the blanks where we will use has and have. See the first one, camels dash long legs. Camels is more than one, तो क्या आएगा? Have. Right over here, have. Okay, then they also dash big humps. See this is the hump of the camel. They, what we will use with they के साथ हम क्या use करेंगे? Have. They also have big humps. Then father dash a new car. Father is one person. We are talking about one person. तो one person के साथ हम क्या use करेंगे? Father has a new car. Okay, then the car dash four wheels. Car, we are talking about only one thing. One thing के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. So we will use has. The car has four wheels. Then this clock dash two hands. This clock is only one. We are talking about only one thing. So we will use has. This clock has two hands. Then my drum dash two sticks. My drum, we are talking about only one drum, only one thing. So we will use has. Then the elephant dash a big trunk. Elephant, we are talking about only one animal, so it will be has. The elephant has a big trunk. Then the baby dash a new toy. We are talking about only one person, one baby. So the baby has a new toy. Then a table dash four legs. We are talking about one table, so it will be has. Then Ruhi dash a glass of milk every morning. Ruhi, we are talking about only one person, so we will use has. Then see number 11. The children dash ice cream every Sunday. Now see, children is more than one. It is the plural of child. Children means more than one child. So if it is more than one, what we will use? We will use have. Then the boys dash umbrellas. Again, boys, it is more than one. So what we will use? Have. Okay, then the monkey dash a banana. Monkey is one, only one animal we are talking about. So we will use has, H-A-S, has. Okay. Now again there are fill in the blanks. This is my room. It dash a big door. It के साथ हम हमेशा क्या यूज करेंगे? Has. It has a big door. Then it also dash a small window. Again see, there is it. Students, what you have to do, जो मैंने ये टेबल दिखाया है आपको, ओके, ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. दिस यू शुड नो कि कहाँ पे हैज यूज होगा और कहाँ पे हैव यूज होगा. ओके, इफ यू नो दिस मच, देन यू विल बी एबल टू डू ऑल द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ओके, it also has a small window. Yes. The door and the window dash curtains. Now see, the door and the window मतलब दोनों. It is more than one. So we will use have. Yes. Then yes. Okay. This is my school. It has a big garden. Then again it has many rooms. Then all the rooms dash tables and chairs. What we will use? Rooms is more than one. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? Have. Then the rooms, again it is more than one. So it will be the rooms also have many doors and windows. I dash my school bag. What we will use with I? I have my school bag. Then other children also dash bags. See, children is more than one. So we will use have. Then we dash come to school to study. We के साथ क्या यूज होगा? Have. We have come to school to study. Now see, tick the correct word. Nina dash or doll. क्या आएगा? Nina is one person, so we will use has. Then the boys dash new bags. Boys is more than one, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Have. Then the hut dash a small door. Hut is only one thing, so we will use has. Then I dash an apple every day. What we will use with I? I have an apple every day. So again students, see this video. I have explained has and have. It is very important, okay students, to understand the grammar so that you can use it properly in the sentence. When you are speaking, you should know correct grammar, okay. Now we have completed this chapter. Okay, now this is revision time. So in this, whatever we have done till now, no, it is just the revision. So you can do this for practice. Okay, as homework, you can do this for practice so that you will be able to revise the whole grammar part, what we have done till now. Okay? Yes. Okay, students, then we will continue the next topic in the next class.